Here I am. MSC, World America, balcony cabin 9091. Let's take a look. Yeah, he's still working on it in here, but we get the gist of it. There's the sign I take all the time. I like that sign. I got all the controls here, air conditioning, lights. Got to put some type of card in here to get the lights to work. Right, let's see what we got here. Shower looks like it's a nice size. It's different from the other cabins I've been in. Looks like it'll fit a tall person as well who had a problem. Certain thing here. I like these things. The hooks here. These are good. Nice couch. Oh, here's the closet. Couple hangers. You could always ask for more hangers if you need it. Space on the top. Drawers down the bottom. Very good. That's locked. We got to get him to open up that. We got a little drawer here. Looks like 2 USBs. Some international, the phone. Good stuff. Hair dryer. So you don't have to bring your own. Oh, look at that. That's a pretty nice size safe. Empty drawer. More space. TV. Looks like a USB-C over there. Lighting. Same thing on that side. USB-C. And our balcony. Average size for a balcony cabin. Yeah, nice. Very good.